Yo, it's your boy Carl Anthony. Here's how I plan on using YouTube to make a passive income first and then finally replace my actual job. Okay, so look, I have been creating content for a little while now. I'm not yet monetized, and I built this channel here to, almost 800 subscribers, and mostly through shorts. My long form content hasn't done so well, but I'm rebranding, I'm re-strategizing, and so it's time to take it seriously. I have two other channels as well. I have Hoops Uncensored, which is my basketball channel, and Crown Media, where I talk about hip hop and entertainment and things like that, pop culture stuff like that. So, I'm getting good traction on my other channels, and this finance channel here, I want to bring the best, information about, making more money, getting out of debt, building credit, things like that. Things that'll help the average everyday person out, and how to get you out of that rat race, that 9 to 5, that in my case 7 to 3. Even though I'm a six-figure earner, I make six figures, but I need some real money. I got a family, and I love making content, and YouTube is pretty much the most viable way to do it. And it's just about really being consistent, having a plan, a strategy, and really being, compelling and showing up for the viewers. So if you haven't paid attention, there are more and more creators every day, right? But at the same time, there are more and more creators falling off and not sticking to it. And it's easy to get discouraged. Easy to get discouraged when you only see, 3 views, 100 views, 50 views, 1,000 views, back to 100 views, 32 views. Like, you start thinking like, maybe I'm not cut out for this, right? But you got to understand that it takes time to cultivate an audience, to find your voice, to get comfortable on camera, comfortable with the words you're saying, to be more fluid. You just got to practice, and you got to just do it. So I plan on becoming monetized within the next few months, before the end of the year, for sure. At least on this channel and maybe one other channel. But it's going to take me, really enhancing my thumbnails, getting my click-through rate much better, and also retention time. Like, how long can I keep you guys on screen watching me? Like, what is it about me that's making you guys click off? What is it about me that's making you guys stay? You know what I'm saying? So this is what it is. If you have any questions for me, because I have been doing my research on, YouTube and how to really monetize this thing. I haven't done it yet, but I'm in the process. I know it's going to happen. I'm just sticking to it. Consistency is key. Remember that. Hit the like button if you want to see more content like this. Check out my other video here. And look, let's get to it. Let's get to the money. Peace.